call Darsh to speak the thought of the day. Darsh, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, everyone. I am Darsh from grade 3. I will be share today's the thought of the day. You cannot enjoy wealth if you are not in good health. I repeat, you cannot enjoy wealth if you are not in good health. Thank you.
Thank you, Darsh. As we have already discussed that the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals are 17 goals with 169 targets that all UN member states have agreed to work towards achieving by the year 2030. Health has a central place in SDGs 3. Ensure healthy lives and promote well-living for all of all the ages. Underpinned by 13 targets that cover a wide spectrum of WHO's work. Today we'll discuss about the target 3.3, fight communicable disease. Communicable diseases are the diseases that can be spread from one person to another and cause a large number of people to get sick. They are caused by germs like bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites, or toxins. It may spread by physical contact with an infected person, contact with a contaminated surface, food, blood, or water, bites from insects or animals, and through the air. Target 3.3 proposes to end the preventable death of newborns and children under 5 and to end epidemics such as AIDS, tuberculosis, malaria, and waterborne diseases by the end of 2030. Many progresses have been made on increasing access to clean water and sanitation and on reducing malaria, tuberculosis, polio, and the spread of HIV/AIDS. From 2000 to 2016, new HIV infections declined by 66% for the children under 15 and by 45% among adolescents aged 15 to 19. Today we'll know more about the communicable disease and ways to prevent it. Now, Ishita is going to tell us some interesting facts.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ishita Gupta. I am from class 3rd. Today's facts are: fact number 1. Colds are one of the most frequently occurring communicable diseases. Fact number 2. Vaccines serve as a frontline defense against antimicrobial resistance. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishita. Now, Arpit, along with his mother, is going to present a small sketch on how to prevent communicable disease.
Good morning, respected principal, my dear teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I want to do a play on communicable diseases.
Hello, Arpit. I have come from market. Chhi,
Hello, Mama.
what do you read?
I read communicable diseases.
Oh, that's great.
Achoo!
What happened? Are you okay?
I am suffering from cough and cold.
Oh, so, but how?
Because cough and cold is a communicable disease and I am infected from you.
What? How to avoid this?
Mama, to avoid this disease, take some precautions. Cover your mouth with elbow while sneezing and cough. Use a mask. Use sanitizer. Drink warm water. These are some ways to protect from disease.
Oh, This is so very good message.
Can we send it to everyone?
Oh yes, of course.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Arpit. It was really wonderful act. Now, Bhavik is going to recite a poem for us.
Good morning, everyone. I am Bhavik from class 3rd. Today I am going to recite a poem. Diseases kills and increase doctor bills. To prevent it, we have to take pills. Despite the gymnastic drills, there is a steep increase in our ills. Diseases are like moss. Tension is a real cause. For your and my boss, with a huge money loss. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, was told till today. Eat everything a day and follow doctor's way. Will be the proverb people will say. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhavik. Now I would invite Mrs. Mishra to tell us more about the prevention of communicable disease. Mrs. Mishra, mother of Saharsh Mishra.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, dear educators, and my little ones. I have given an opportunity to say a topic, how to prevent communicable disease. But before we start, we should know what is communicable disease. The disease that is spread from one person to another person, we called it communicable disease. It is spread through a variety of ways that include contact from blood, breathing in an airborne viruses, or bitten by an insect. Hepatitis A, hepatitis B, measles, rabies, flu, tuberculosis, HIV, and COVID-19 are some of the examples of communicable disease. But of course, we should not forget this year the COVID-19 pandemic is a global health crisis this year and the greatest challenge we have faced since after World War II. Since its emergence in Asia, it has spread almost every continent except Antarctica. And now we have reached the target milestone of 1 million deaths, and human life is facing a burden of loss. And we are still waiting COVID-19 vaccine to come. Saharsh will tell us some of the how to prevent communicable disease and how to take some precautionary measures to get rid of these pandemic. Saharsh, please can you list down?
How to prevent communicable diseases? We have to wash our hands regularly with Dettol. Clean and disinfect commonly used surface. Cough and sneeze into a tissue paper or your sleeve. Stay at home when you are sick. Get vaccines timely. Don't share your personal items with anyone. Use antibiotics sensibly. Wear mask and use sanitizer. Don't touch anyone. Don't go out. Stay safe. Stay at home. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
That was wonderful. Thank you, Saharsh and Mrs. Mishra. Now I would call our coordinator, Mrs. Rupa Pal Chaudhary.
Thank you, Shwetisha ma'am. Good morning, children, parents. Wonderful assembly as ever. Thank you, Aruna ma'am. Thank you, Shwetisha ma'am, for preparing the children so wonderfully. Such nice and informative assembly. And a big thanks to Mrs. Nigam and Mrs. Mishra for explaining how we need to, again, and reiterating how we need to fight against this pandemic and how we can come forward and emerge from this emergency. This is a world emergency, as we know. So now I would invite Shwetisha ma'am to please end the assembly. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, Shreyansh is going to take a pledge.
I will and return the same place. It was so awesome. I remember that on the news of places. I will talk including into a debate on the city. I will answer my perspective. I will get back to you guys and I will stay at home when I am sick. Thank you.
Everyone, please put your right hand down. Thank you, Shreyansh. With the hope that people would be more concerned and responsible towards the prevention of communicable diseases and have faith in the frontline healthcare workers, I'm ending today's assembly. Bye, children. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.